Jurors in the YSL RICO gang case against young thugs spent this day getting a closer look at evidence, including drugs and guns. Channel 2's Michael Seiden live outside the Fulton County Courthouse covering all of this from the get-go. Michael, jurors also saw photos of another prominent rapper sitting on the ground in handcuffs.
Yeah, Justin, for the second straight day, jurors inside the Fulton County Courthouse got to hear testimony from one of the Brookhaven police officers at the scene of a 2017 traffic stop. It was a traffic stop involving rappers Young Thug and his former co-defendant Gunna and one of their friends. Now we want to show you some of that evidence that was introduced to the jury.
These are the 4 Adderall pills that came out of the medicine bottle.
That's the voice of Brookhaven officer David Fikes testifying Wednesday about a 2017 traffic stop that resulted in the arrest of rappers Young Thug, Gunna, and a third person who police identified as Cedric Jones. Fikes is now working as an investigator, which is why the court has asked us not to show his face. He told jurors that he pulled over the Mercedes Maybach near Peachtree DeKalb Airport for an alleged window tint violation. But when police searched the car, they found narcotics, 2 guns, one of which was stolen, and more than $49,000 in cash. According to investigators, Jones told police that everything belonged to him, but officers ended up arresting all 3 on multiple charges. Prosecutors brought all the evidence to court today to give each juror a closer look.
Keep that picture up, please. I got some more questions I want to ask about it.
But during cross-examination, Keith Adams, an attorney for Young Thug, tried to show jurors that police did not complete a thorough investigation.
The bottom line is, if we're trying to tell this jury that there's information about who handled these guns, you don't have any of that information.
No.
At one point, things got tense.
Tell the jury when you sent them off to the crime lab or wherever to have them analyze for fingerprints.
I didn't. If you don't have a prescription for that medication, it's illegal to be in possession of it.
I should mention that rapper Gunna actually ended up pleading guilty to a lesser offense. So did Cedric Jones. Now, as far as Young Thug, get this about his case. His attorney ended up basically appealing it. Court of Appeals decided that all that evidence should be suppressed, and then basically they ended up siding back with the state. So this case was just pending. Young Thug's attorney said they didn't hear anything about it until this RICO came out. We are live in downtown Atlanta. Michael Seiden, Channel 2 Action News.